In this video, we will discuss general system navigation of the CP5 and CP5i control pads. CP5 and CP5i control pads are nearly identical with only a few exceptions. CP5i adds the handpiece mode and user profile buttons, as well as user A-B icons on the display. In the chair function mode, the diagonal arrows tilt the chair back either up or down, while the vertical arrows raise or lower the chair base. This demonstrates the base buttons in use. Notice that the chair icon moves to show the chair's current position. There are 4 soft keys that allow a user to select functions and navigate through various menus in the display. For example, on systems with an A-dec 500 light, the dental light button displays different light intensities that you select and activate by using the soft keys. On relevant screens, some buttons will illuminate to indicate equipment status and available choices. These lighted buttons include the soft keys, the up and down arrows, the adjustment button, and the options menu button. This demonstrates how soft keys are used to move the chair to a preset position. Notice when the preset is selected how the soft key lights up. When the chair reaches the preset position, the button stays illuminated to indicate that the chair is currently in that preset position. The user interface includes icons for a timer and several equipment functions. Selecting these equipment mode icons will access functions for the chair, the dental light, the cuspidor if so equipped, and the timer. Unlike the buttons on previous touchpads, these buttons operate differently by providing functions or options on the display that are then selected by using the soft keys. When in a menu, these equipment icons can be used to exit the menu and access the desired equipment function, much like a home button. The Options menu button is used to access the Settings menu, Screen Lock for cleaning, and Handpiece Flush for systems equipped with a CP5i. This demonstrates using the Options button to adjust equipment settings. A user first touches the Options button in the lower right portion of the control pad. Then press the soft key under the gear icon to enter the Settings menu. When in the Settings menu, notice that some soft keys and arrows illuminate to show usable buttons. You can then navigate the menu using the arrow keys to select your desired settings. When the Adjustment button is in use, a dot will appear to indicate which item is selected for adjustment. For dynamic handpiece modes, such as on an electric handpiece, keep pressing the Adjustment button to move the dot to the desired item. Use the chair base up or down arrows to adjust the chosen item. The Adjustment function will automatically exit after several seconds of inactivity, or when the foot control is pressed, automatically saving changes and returning to normal operation. Pressing and holding the soft key will save the current settings to the corresponding preset. The up and down arrows are illuminated to show buttons that are available to adjust for the selected item. Soft keys will illuminate to indicate if the changed parameters match an existing preset. Notice how the dot moves to show the highlighted function when the Adjustment button is pressed. For non-handpiece modes, such as timers and flush, the behavior is slightly different. Pressing the Adjustment button enters the Adjustment function, where a user can make a change using the chair base up or down arrows. This is followed by a touch and hold of a soft key to save the new value. The user can then press the Adjustment button again to exit. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.